nice this time.
It's hot, hot, hot.
Oh, what the flip? Oh no. Mom,
What?
I don't know why, but I hit a fish with it. I was trying to grab the bug,
Sometimes that will happen.
and it was
Or a
like
turtle.
It was giant. It was a giant fish.
I
I
bet.
swear I feel it was good.
You had one on your pole.
Mom,
It took your,
why does that look like it's watching?
oh, I don't know. It is kind of creepy. You mean it kind of does look like it's watching you.
Yeah, I don't like that.